Okay. Stop spending hundreds on massage therapy when your back's screaming at you after every workout. I used to be that person, dropping cash every week just to function. Until I found this textured foam roller from 321 Strong that literally changed everything. Here's the thing nobody tells you about muscle recovery. Those knots and that soreness you're dealing with, they're not just going to disappear on their own, and honestly, most foam rollers are either too soft to do anything or they're so aggressive they leave you bruised. This one hits different though. The medium density design with those textured grooves gets deep into your muscles for myofascial release without destroying you, and I'm talking full body relief here. Back pain, tight hamstrings, shoulder knots from sitting at your desk all day, it handles all of it. I've been using mine for 3 months now, and my flexibility's improved. My recovery time after the gym is literally cut in half, and I'm saving like $200 a month on therapy sessions. Plus, it comes with a travel bag and workout guides, so you're not just guessing what to do with it. The best part? It's under $25 right now on Amazon. Like, that's less than 2 massage appointments for something you'll use for years. Links below, but honestly, these have been selling out because everyone's catching on. Drop a comment and tell me where you're most sore right now, and tag that gym buddy who's always complaining about their back. Trust me on this one.